just received my order. मैंने एक चीज़ ऑर्डर करी थी. It is gel pad. I'll just tell you the price. It is about of 2200. मैंने Amazon से ऑर्डर करा है. एकदम ऐसा है. So I'll show you what exactly it is. Okay. So this is basically a gel pad. क्योंकि I have bought this for my KTM. क्योंकि अब मैं KTM ही यूज़ कर रहा हूँ अपनी for the off roading. हिमालयन को थोड़ा रेस्ट दे रहा है क्योंकि उसमें मेजर प्रॉब्लम्स आ रही हैं. तो KTM की सीट बहुत ज़्यादा अनकम्फर्टेबल है और डिसाइडेड कि मैं जेल पैड लगाऊंगा. यू कैन सी व्हाई इट इज़ रिकमेंडेड टू हैव अ जेल पैड ऑन योर सीट. सो वंस आई गेट इट इंस्टॉल्ड आई विल मेक अ वीडियो कि कैसे आई विल इंस्टॉल दिस थिंग ऑन माई बाइक. देन आई विल शेयर इट.
Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all, lose it all, lose it all.
What I did on the bike. इसमें एक्स्ट्रा फोम लगवाया था मैंने क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा हार्ड है इसकी सीट. I'll show you this, and when I'll remove this part I'll show you the original seat which was coming with the KTM.
Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm. Until the very last hour, we still got few more days to slay. It's gonna get so much louder. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all, lose it all, lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm.
So this is the back seat. So I'm also putting up this gel pad on this. What we have done is we have again make some space for this. So उसके बाद अब we'll be putting this thing. उसका जो extra होगा we'll cut the. फिर देखते हैं फाइनल कैसा आता है. I'll share what exactly how well it is ending up well ready. Till then, bye.
So my seat has been adjusted. सीट का काम पूरा हो गया. थोड़ी सी चेन साफ करिए इसकी, क्योंकि लास्ट टाइम इसमें बहुत मिट्टी लग गई थी. बस सभी बहुत सभी